Hi, we are doing logarithm. If a square plus b square is equal to 23ab, show that log a plus b by 5 is equal to half in brackets log a plus log b. Now what is given to us? A square plus b square is equal to 23ab. And what we have to find? A plus b we need. Nowhere there is a plus b, right? Here we need a plus b. So my first job will be to put this a square plus b square as a plus b. Now look here, a plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. I need a plus b, so I have expanded this. I am showing it to you. And from here, if I remove minus 2ab, I will remove minus 2ab from this side also. Fine. This 2ab and this 2ab will be getting cancelled. And what I'll be left with? A square plus b square. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab is a square plus b square. And I am getting something in a plus b, right? So my job will be to put this a square plus b square co in this form. Fine. Let's start it. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Instead of a square plus b square over here, which is given over here, I have written a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to 23ab. Why I thought of changing this as a plus this form? Because then I'll get a something in a plus b and I need something in a plus b. So you have to think like this. A plus b whole square, 23 2 goes to the other side and it become 25ab. Fine. Now what is there? A plus b chahiye and this is square. That means from both the side I will square root it. Square rooting both the side. Fine. Taking square root both the side. Fine. Why I am square rooting both the side? Because I don't need a plus b whole square. What I need is a plus b. So a plus b whole square ka square root and here 25ab ka square root. What I will be left here with? A plus b, क्योंकि anything का square root is that number, like 2 square का square root is 2. So this will be a plus b. 25 ka square root is 5 into ab, right? Now what I can see here, what I want, us pe bhi we have to keep an eye. What I want. I want a plus b by 5. So let us bring this 5 down here. So this will be a plus b by 5. 5 comes here at the bottom, will be divided by 5 is root ab, right? Now root ab, anything under root means its power is half. So I can write it as a plus b by 5 is equal to ab ka power half, right? I can do that. Now what I can see, I got a plus b by 5 and I need a log. So what I will do, I will write taking log both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. What I will do, I'll take log both the side. Log a plus b by 5 is equal to log ab raised to the power half. Now we will use the rule, the law. Which law we will use? Log a raised to the power n is n log a. So this ko we will change in this form. Log a plus b by 5 is equal to half log ab, right? Again we will use the law. Use the law. Which law? Log a into b is log a plus log b. Fine. We are using the laws of log everywhere. A plus b by 5 is equal to half log a plus log b, because half is on both. It's half is multiplied by this whole thing, so half will come out and it will come inside log a. Log b will come inside the bracket. This is what we had to prove here. Log a by this one, log a plus b by 5 is equal to half log a plus log b. So first we have to think कि a square plus b square को a plus b कैसे बनाएं, right? After that we have to keep an eye on what we have to prove, and accordingly we'll keep on changing our work. Fine, and we will get this, we'll come to the conclusion, the required proving. So this is how we prove it.